The website get attacked by cyber criminals. This is confirmed by Trixie's statement on Facebook, alleging that there are several fraud sales that are happening and the clients should be aware. Hi, welcome back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. This is a moment that I want to teach you something as a graduate from forensic science and technology, which actually just detect fraud. So what I know is that whenever you have a website, especially when you are selling goods, you need to kind of secure it with the online security sort of insurance so that such things do not happen. If you just open a website and you don't secure it, you are not only gonna get scammed, but also your client will get scammed, which will lead to you being seen as an unreliable, not trustworthy, and a scammer, and you can lead to a criminal case court and be convicted of something that you did not know, because it's not easy to prove cyber criminal in South Africa. I still remember not so long ago I wrote about the case of this lady in Johannesburg who was scammed over 5 million because of the cyber criminals using email, which is it's phishing. Yes, using an email phishing. So now also I want to highlight that on social media in the past 3 weeks, my accounts were under attack. But I've noticed it with Facebook. When I wanted to log on Facebook, I already found that page where you enter a new password, current password, and confirm a new password. What I did there, I noticed then and then that I've never requested to change my password. Where do I see this? So I just logged out and then check my emails. When I check my emails, there's an email from Google for security concern saying that someone is trying to log on my profiles, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram from Trinidad and Tobago. And I was like, okay, I see this thing. What did I do in that situation? The first thing I did, deactivate my accounts for a week or so, and then start the whole process myself, controlling it, making sure that I also installed some app. I won't mention it here, some apps so that I can secure it, because currently I'm trying to have a name online. So I don't want to have a problem in near future to say that I've been scammed or being a victim of cyber criminal. Another thing, do not use the same email as the one that you use for Google. Let me tell you how this is it. When you have a Google account that you are watching videos here on YouTube, you're using it to download your Instagram and whatnot, do not use that email for other things, especially online. Do not use it as a Shein thing, as a Temu thing, as a Takealot thing. Use another email for such, because that's where these people they get data from. They get information about our accounts from that, and then they try to scam us. But I'm so sad for Trixie, and I hope her business come back and we can purchase those bags, because they are not expensive, reasonable,